Hey there, welcome back friends. In this video we will try to understand how to create a sample Maven project with the support of JUnit. So let's get started. So first of all, definitely we will add a new Maven project and we will skip the archetype selection and we will start with a very simple Maven project. Alright, we will give the group ID as org.studyeasy. Alright, group ID is arg.studyeasy and artifact ID maybe JUnit 5. This looks good. Let me click on finish. Alright, so here is our sample project. Cool enough, nice. Now in here, if we open up pom.xml, then definitely there is not a much of configuration in here. And the JRE version is also 1.5, which is very old. And for this particular installation, I also have Java 11 installed in our system. So if I navigate to build path and show you, so we have this JRE J2SE 1.5, but if I show you, we also have the dependency or the library. Let me show you quickly. For JDK 11, so we do have Java 11. You can use Java 11 or 1.8, it's up to you. And to be very honest, it won't make any difference whether using 1.8 or the latest version Java 11. The overall usage and the overall way of testing won't change, won't affect, but we will go with Java 11, the latest version of Java. So in here, this is the official website of JUnit. It is there. I will talk about the official website later down the line. In here, let us navigate to this particular URL, which is studyeasy.org. Let me stop this. studyeasy.org/JUnit-pom. And this particular page will load a web page. This is an article where I have added a sample Maven project. So in here we have a sample pom.xml file. So here is the sample pom.xml file where definitely there are like couple of dependencies, couple of properties and few more things. So let me simply copy this. Here there are like options to copy and couple of more things. So let me click on this. Let me copy this, let me minimize, and in here let me get rid of any and every setting from pom.xml and I will paste the new configuration. Alright, let me expand this and walk you through. Alright, so these are the default things like group ID, artifact ID and version, things like that. These are usual stuff, but the important things are properties and dependencies. So in here we are making use of Maven compiler target as 11. So when we will build the project, we will build the application, the Java version which will be used will be Java 11. Likewise, the compiler source is again 11. So Java 11 will be used for compilation again. Now friends, you can definitely play with this. You can make use of a version 1.8, 1.7 or for example Java 10 or 11, it's up to you, and it won't make any difference, but I will suggest to make use of Java 1.8 or above. Then we have the setting which is JUnit version. So this is a property and we will refer to this property into our dependency. This is kind of a variable which we can use in our dependencies. So the current version at the time of recording this video is 5.4.0. Any version which is 5+ is good enough for this tutorials. So this tutorial is all about JUnit version 5. Alright, so in here we need two dependencies. First dependency is definitely the engine, the platform. So this particular dependency will add the jar which will be nothing but our Jupyter engine. So this is important. In here we have group ID, we have artifact ID, which is cool, and version is taken from this property. So take a note of it. JUnit version the exact value is used in here. Alright, then the scope is test. This particular engine will be used for testing. Then we also have the what we say API dependency, where we are again making use of the version 5.4.0. Cool enough. And if you wish to check the Maven repository, you can definitely navigate to this particular URL. Let me show you. So in here you can definitely navigate to this particular URL, where you will get the list of all the versions. So the current version is 5.4.0, but later down the line version will upgrade and you can definitely check out the later version again. Version 5.4 is quite new. It is the latest version in fact, so pretty good stuff. Alright, so now with these two dependency we have everything which we need. Let me update the project. I will navigate to Maven and update the project, and this will take a couple of seconds. Here we go. Java SE 11 Maven dependencies. Here are the jar files. Here is the jar for API and engine. So we have everything in fact good enough. Now finally let me also add in a new class, a very simple class with the package as org.studyeasy and name as hello with main method, and we will display the usual stuff which is hello world message, and we should get a proper output. Here we go. So everything is in perfect shape. Alright, so in our next video we will check more about how actual testing is done and a couple of more things. So interesting stuff will be shown from next video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and take care.